grammar topic, and one more, that's chapter number 2, sound of music. Now we'll move ahead with that poetry section. First poem I have already explained you, The Road Not Taken, and now the second poem, Wind. Wind, which is written by Subramanya Bharati. Subramanya Bharati is a great Tamil poet and famous for his patriotism in the pre-independence era. That Wind poem, which was translated from that book which is written by A.K. Ramanujan. Now we'll move ahead in detail about this poem. That wind, come softly, don't break the shutters of the window, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Here the poet is requesting to the wind that wind, come softly, यानी थोड़ा धीरे से आना, because if we will come in a speedy manner, our windows, shutters of windows, papers and all that things will destroy. So we request you that please don't break our shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers. अगर आप धीरे से आओगे तो हमारे papers है वो इधर उधर spread नहीं होंगे. Scatters, that means spread. Don't throw down the books on the shelf, that means please keep or let them keep our books on the shelf. Please come softly so our books will be there on the safe side. There, look what you did. You threw them all down, but though you didn't believe on us, and still whatever you want, whatever you wish, that you have done. मैंने आपको बोला था कि आप धीरे से आओ, लेकिन still you came in a speedy manner and you destroyed everything. You tore the pages of books. आपने books के pages भी फाड़ दिया. You tore the pages of books. You brought the rain again, and you also brought some rain with you again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. That means whenever some poking fun at weaklings के, that means के जो कोई दुर्बल इंसान होता है या कोई निर्बल होता है, at that moment that poet is just informing that being that you are very clever. कि जब आपके सामने कोई दुर्बल या निर्बल होता है, at that moment you are making fun of that particular person or particular thing which is already weak. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, bodies, leaves and the hearts. Just because of you have destroyed everything, like houses, doors of that houses, rafters, rafter that means के एक बड़ा सा लकड़े का टुकड़ा, a log of wood, crumbling woods, then dead bodies of every person, animal and human being, crumbling lives and crumbling hearts. That means you have destroyed everything. Many times we have requested you, though you just came in a speedy manner. The wind, God he knows, and curses them all. Many times we have requested you, though you came in a speedy manner, and curses, that means destroyed everything. He won't do what you tell him. Poet कहते कि जो हम लोग उसको कहते, that poet हमें request कर रहे हैं कि चलो वो तो natural thing है, वो अपनी ही मनमानी करेगा. So it's better let it do or let them do whatever he wants. Now we'll do something to favoring us or to protecting ourselves from the strong wind. So let's build a strong homes. कि चलो अब विंड तो स्लोली आ नहीं सकता, वो हमारी बात मान नहीं सकता. सो इससे बेटर है कि हम ही अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करें. सो सबसे पहला थिंग कि घर डिस्ट्रॉय ना हो जाए, उससे पहले उसके लिए हम लोग सबसे पहले स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउसेस बनाएंगे. लेट्स बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग होम्स एंड हाउसेस. सेकंड थिंग, लेट्स जॉइन द डोर्स फर्मली. जैसे कि आगे हमारे घर के सारे दरवाजे उड़ा के चला गया है, तोड़ दिए. सो हम लोग जो डोर्स है वो एकदम फर्मली, बहुत स्ट्रांगली लगा देते. लेट्स जॉइन द डोर फर्मली. प्रैक्टिस टू फर्म द बॉडी एंड मेक द हार्ट स्टेडफास्ट. हम लोग हमारी बॉडी को इतना स्ट्रांग बनाते हैं, हम खुद ही अंदर मेंटली एंड फिजिकली विल बिकम अ स्ट्रांग पर्सन. So no one can move or no one can just be defeat us. कि हम अपने आप को इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं. So make the heart steadfast. Steadfast का मीनिंग ये होता है unmoved, कि इधर उधर नहीं होना, अड़िग रहना, firm रहना. Do this, the wind will be friends with us. And if we do this, definitely, slowly and gradually, the wind will become a friend of ourselves. वो हमारा कुछ भी डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करेगा, वो हमारा कुछ भी नुकसान नहीं करेगा. लेकिन फॉर दैट वी नीड टू डू दिस थिंग्स, कि सबसे पहले हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउसेस बनाने हैं. सेकंड, हमारे जो हाउसेस को डोर्स है उसको बहुत स्ट्रांगली फॉर्म करने, फिट करने. हमारे हार्ट को और मेंटली और फिजिकली we want to become a good as well as strong. So no one can just imbalance us or no one can defeat us. And then only the wind will become a good friend of us. The wind blows out weak fires. अगर यहाँ पे पोएट एक और सजेशन हमें देते हैं कि the wind blows out the weak fires. अगर छोटी सी आग होती है and the strong wind will come, that fire blows out. उसको वो बुझा देता है. But if he makes the strong fires roars and flourish, but in place of that small fires or that weak fires, if we'll have the strong fires, definitely that fires will become roar. That means वो spread हो जाती है और ज़्यादा भयानक, dangerous हो जाते हैं. हम सबको पता है कि अगर छोटी सी फायर हो, weak fires हो, तो और उसके ऊपर हवा आएगी तो वो बुझ जाएगी. लेकिन एक फायर बहुत तेजी से चल रही हो और उसके ऊपर हम और हवा देंगे, so it becomes spread. वो ज्यादा स्प्रेड हो जाती है. So like that, if we want to become a good friend of that wind, first of all, we want to become strong ourselves. And his friendship is good. We praise him every day. And that wind is a one type of God. और उसकी फ्रेंडशिप भी हमारे लिए अच्छी है. So for that, we need to praise him. हम उनको हर रोज याद करें. We need to pray him every day in our daily routine life. Once again I am repeating the central idea of the poem, that in this poem the poet wants to convey the message that he says that the people must be strong at heart, because only the weak at heart are troubled by difficulties. यानी कि हमें सबसे पहले मेंटली स्ट्रांग बनना पड़ेगा. अगर हम लोग मेंटली स्ट्रांग नहीं होंगे, so someone will take misadvantage or someone will take the advantage of ourselves. Here wind, ये पोएम का एक सिंपल स्टेट लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ. यानी कि विंड के पास इतना पावर है कि अगर हम लोग वीक होंगे या हम लोग थोड़े से भी वीक बने तो it will be destroyed everything. So but if the people are strong at heart, लेकिन अगर हम लोग एकदम स्ट्रांग बन जाएंगे by mentally and by physically, they face the challenges thrown out by difficulties. और definitely अगर हम लोग mentally और physically strong हो जाएंगे तो हम लोग difficulties को face करते हुए हमारी लाइफ में आगे जाएंगे. And the struggle at last the come out with flying colors. और हमारे struggle है, वो struggle में से हम बाहर आएंगे and definitely one day will become a successful person. And like that, which I have that it was already given over here, that one day the wind become your friends and his friendship is good. We praise him every day. And like that, one day that wind become our good friends and we need to praise him every day. So now once again, that wind is that poem which is symbolized with our life, कि हमारी लाइफ में बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टीज आती है. सो डिफिकल्टी को फेस करने के लिए वी नीड टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन. अगर हम लोग मेंटली और फिजिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गए, सो डेफिनेटली विल गेट सम पावर, ऑटोमेटिकली विल गेट सम पावर एंड वी बस जस्ट कि हम लोगों को एक ताकत मिल जाती है डिफिकल्टी को फेस करने के लिए. एंड व्हाइल फेसिंग द डिफिकल्टीज विल मूव ऑन एंड ऑन इन आवर लाइफ. I hope friends you understood whatever I explained in about that wind poem and whatever I explained in this about this poem. If you are having any doubt regarding this poem, whenever we'll have online session, at that moment we'll solve your doubts. Once again I am requesting everyone that please go through with the video and just try to just take out some doubts. So whenever we'll have online session, at that moment will solve your doubts. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.